Stop by and take a look at the 2018 EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control, and is priced below $25,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, heated front seats, Sirius XM radio, fog lights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.